tight lining on the Mississippi for anything. 2 poles there, and we got 2 of them over here. A little bit of barge traffic.
Put up a fight. He's just surfing all over the place, isn't he?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. They got an eye like a walleye. You know that? Yeah.
And we got a Nessie sighting out there. It's definitely a Loch Ness monster.
It's coming this way. Turning around. Hey, look at that.
Bunch of these little catfish out
Another one of them little catfish.
Yep.
Sure enough. It's a blue cat, yeah.
Bunch of them guys.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
What the heck you got?
Flathead.
A flathead cat. I guess he's about, what, 2 pounds?
50.
50 pounds?
50. And see. What the heck is that?
Boy, it looked kind of wild, though. Look at that zigzagging. What is that?
It's like a eel or something.
What the hell is that? You can put that on it.
What the heck is it?
Some kind of damn eel. That's wild, man. Good. That is weird, man. I don't know what that is. But I got a video. But I got a video. No wonder maybe we did see the Loch Ness monster in there. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with that one? Let's just let's get the pliers and take them off.